Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 2 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on the Sugar Plum Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm going to be using today are from Colors by Llarowe. This darkest one is Boulangerie. The middle purple is Plum Ready for Summer. And then the pinker shade is Dirty Diana, which I'll also be using as my base color. Once I have my base color applied, I'm going to protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I have the bullseye built, I'm going to go ahead and stretch it from the center to one side and then the other, and then I'm going to draw on some chunky chevrons before adding some petals. Once the design is done, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails, then dip in. Then I'm going to clean any excess polish off of the surface so it doesn't stick to my nails, and slowly pull my fingers out and remove the protection. Once I've marbled all my nails, I'm going to move on to cleanup using a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as under the nail, and then moving on closer to the nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. Sugar Plum was one of my first inspiration ideas when I started working on this day, but it took quite a bit of testing before I found polishes that worked together in the water and really gave that Sugar Plum vibe. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can enjoy this holo. And if you'd like to check out the extended tutorial as well as all that testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.